Shimmering Elegance Unveiled, Decoding the Timeless Tale of Silver versus Sterling Silver. Welcome back, dear viewers, to our journey into the fascinating world of elegance and craftsmanship. In this segment, we delve into the intricate realm of fine metals, where two luminaries take center stage, silver and sterling silver. Decoding the subtle nuances that distinguish these precious metals is akin to unraveling a timeless mystery that has captivated connoisseurs for centuries. Let's first set our gaze upon silver, a metal synonymous with grace and sophistication. Renowned for its lustrous sheen and timeless appeal, silver has been a cherished choice for crafting exquisite jewelry, tableware, and decorative pieces throughout history. Its natural beauty and malleability make it a versatile canvas for artisans to create pieces that evoke a sense of refinement and simplicity. Now, enter the distinguished counterpart, sterling silver. Often heralded as the pinnacle of silver craftsmanship, sterling silver is an alloy composed of 92.5% pure silver and 7.5% other metals, typically copper. This marriage of metals enhances both the durability and strength of the silver, ensuring that sterling silver pieces stand the test of time. As we compare these two, it's crucial to understand the key differences. While pure silver possesses a higher level of purity, it is inherently softer and more prone to scratches and dents. Sterling silver, on the other hand, strikes a delicate balance, combining the elegance of silver with enhanced durability, making it an ideal choice for heirloom pieces and everyday wear. What sets sterling silver apart is its unmistakable gleam, a result of meticulous craftsmanship and the alloy's resilience. This unique blend of metals not only fortifies the silver but also creates a stunning interplay of light and shadow, casting an ethereal glow that adds an extra layer of allure to every piece. Yet, our exploration into the realm of silver and sterling silver is far from over. As we peel back the layers of this shimmering tapestry, let's delve into the fascinating stories that these metals hold within their folds. History, a silent witness to the evolution of human civilization, reveals how silver has adorned the noble and the common alike. From ancient coins that circulated through bustling marketplaces to intricate artifacts discovered in archaeological digs, silver has been a currency of beauty and cultural significance. Its timeless allure speaks to the enduring desire for elegance that transcends generations. The story of sterling silver adds an intriguing chapter to this narrative. Venture with us into the hallowed halls of artisan workshops, where skilled hands transform raw materials into masterpieces. The alchemy of combining pure silver with just the right touch of alloy is an art form in itself, and the result is a symphony of craftsmanship that resonates with the echoes of centuries past. In our modern era, contemporary designers continue to push the boundaries of creativity, reinterpreting traditional forms with a fresh perspective. The marriage of traditional techniques and innovative design gives rise to sterling silver pieces that not only honor the heritage of the craft but also pave the way for new trends and expressions of elegance. As we conclude this segment, we invite you to share your thoughts and experiences with silver and sterling silver in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth explorations into the world of elegance and craftsmanship. Until next time, dear viewers, may your lives be as adorned and enchanting as the silver that graces your world.